Hi everyone, so this is Sister Jacqueline. Today we'll be making this remedy for cough, flu. You can use it for cough or flu. So when you're under the weather. Yes, so with me here I have honey, 2 cloves of garlic, ginger, 2 small bulbs of onions, and lemons. Okay, so I will just let me grate the ginger, the garlic and the lemons. I also squeeze the lemon juice. Okay, yes, so I'm done grating the, so this is garlic here, this is the ginger, and this is the onion, and this is the juice of the 2 lemons I just squeezed. Okay, so we're going to mix this. Garlic, the ginger, okay. So from here we are going to put the juice, the lemon juice we just previously squeezed. Okay, okay. We are also going to add the honey. I'll add 2 tablespoons of honey. And we mix very well. Okay, I think it's ready. Yeah, the remedy is ready. So you can take this when you have a cough, when you have flu, or even when you are just okay. You can still take this. Okay, just to boost your immunity. Not just when you are sick. You can still take this even if you are fine. Okay, so this is our remedy. It's ready. Thank you.